Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. Previously, I published a video about a spike detector, a mobile robot that gives you notifications whenever a spike is about to occur in boom and crash that works in mobile phones only. So it comes in form of a notification, and whenever it comes, all you have to do is just place trade and be in profit. But right now today, I want to teach you guys how to draw trend lines correctly on boom and crash using the 4 hours time frame. So to draw a perfect trend line, guys, what I have to do is try to identify the swing points. So I don't know if most of you understand what I mean by swing points. Swing points are actually a change of direction or trend in the market, or like for example, where the market must have changed direction, like here is a swing point. You can see the market reversed here and started going up, and here too you can see the market reversed here and started going up. So guys, to draw the trend lines, all you have to do is you tap the screen. That's you're making use of an Android phone. We tap the screen here, then we click on the tools or objects. Okay, then we click on this rectangular object. Alright guys, we draw this on that swing point. That's here. Okay, that's the first swing point. You can you should make use of at least a minimum of 2 swing points for a perfect entry. So you add another one here. You add another one here. So guys, you guys can see this. When the market reached this trend with this this trend lines, it actually reversed, and changed direction. So that is it. And after drawing this way, all you have to do is you go here and pick this object, the trend line, the object called the trend line. Sorry guys. Here you click the plus button here, and you click on this object, the trend line. You click on it, then you use it to join these 2 rectangular trend lines together. That's for the perfect entry, guy. Can you see that? So guys, that is how it works. You join them together. Okay. So this actually tells you the point of a market the point of a trend change, or the change in the market direction. And whenever a market trades to that point and it doesn't break, then you know that level, okay, this is a support level, you know that level is very strong. So guys, same thing happens something happens on marking the resistance levels. We use you click the plus button here, and you scroll down and click on rectangle. Okay, then we do this, guys. You mark this rectangle, so you can actually feel, if you want, you long click on it and tap on the edit button, which looks like a pen. Okay, you tap on it, then click feel for it to feel the trend line, the rectangular trend line. Sorry, for it to feel the rectangle, which we're going to mark as a zone, for resistance. Okay, so that is it. So you now click on it and we move this to this point. Okay, so you guys can actually see when the market came. Sorry. When the market came here, it changed direction. Can you guys see that? It started coming down. Okay, that means this is a zone, resistance. It started coming down, and when it came here too, it started coming down. Okay, so you mark this. So you can actually extend. This like this. Okay, so that whenever this one here touches this zone here, we can easily mark the next movement or the next direction of the market. Then something applies to here, this trend line. You can actually adjust this trend line to go up. Okay, you can actually adjust it to go up. Then that means whenever the market or the candles start trading down, and whenever they touch this line, or whenever they come below this point, and whenever they're touching this particular zone right now, you can easily identify the next direction or the next trend of the market. So guys, that's how it is. You can actually make use of the 1 hour time frame, but I do prefer the 4 hours time, because making use of higher time frames helps you to identify the trend of any given market. Okay, this strategy applies to all the crash and boom markets, guys. So you can easily use this to trade on the crash and boom market. Okay, you can just draw trend lines. Know your resistance and support levels, the supply and demand. Then you can easily place trade without any fear or without an error. And make sure whenever you're drawing your trend lines, make sure whatever you do is clear, and not force your trend lines on the market. So make sure it is clear. Do not force yourself. I always study the market. It's not always here. Most times you wouldn't see it this way. You wouldn't see the market set this way. So you should make sure that the market is set this way for you to draw a perfect trend line, so you can easily identify the direction of any given market, be it crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, or boom 500. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the video which I published earlier about the mobile robot, which works effectively and perfectly well on the crash and boom markets. Do not fail to share this video, like, and also subscribe. And always make sure you click the notification button for you to get my new videos. Thank you, guys.